Have you ever wondered what the main differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotes are? Well, you're in the right place to find out. The world of cells is as diverse and intricate as the world we live in. At the core of this diversity are two main types of cells, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Each type has its unique characteristics and complexities. The primary differences between them lie in their cellular structure and organization. Prokaryotes, the simpler of the two, lack a true nucleus, and their DNA freely floats in the cell. Eukaryotes, on the other hand, have a true nucleus, which houses their genetic material and a host of other specialized structures called organelles. Each type of cell has its unique way of functioning, reproducing, and contributing to life as we know it. By the end of this video, you will understand these differences clearly. Let's dive right into prokaryotes first. Prokaryotes, the most ancient form of life on our planet, have been around for billions of years. They are simple, yet incredibly efficient organisms. The defining feature that sets prokaryotes apart from their eukaryotic counterparts is the lack of a true nucleus. Instead of a nucleus enclosed by a nuclear membrane, prokaryotic cells house their genetic material, usually a single, circular DNA molecule, in a region known as the nucleoid. The simplicity of prokaryotes extends to their size as well. They are generally smaller than eukaryotes, with sizes ranging from a mere tenth of a micrometer to 5 micrometers. But don't let their small size fool you. These microscopic powerhouses are capable of surviving in some of the most extreme environments on Earth, from the scorching heat of thermal vents to the icy cold of the Arctic. If you were to take a closer look inside a prokaryotic cell, you would notice the absence of membrane-bound organelles. Organelles like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi apparatus, which are common in eukaryotic cells, are missing in prokaryotes. This absence, however, doesn't hinder their functionality. Prokaryotes have other structures that help them carry out their cellular processes efficiently. One such process is reproduction. Prokaryotes reproduce through a simple cell division process known as binary fission. During binary fission, the DNA of the prokaryote replicates, and the cell divides into two identical daughter cells. This efficient reproduction method allows prokaryotes to multiply rapidly under favorable conditions. Lastly, let's talk about examples. When you think of prokaryotes, think of bacteria and archaea. These organisms, despite their simplicity, are vital to life on Earth. They play key roles in maintaining the planet's ecosystems, from breaking down waste and dead matter to playing a vital role in our own digestive systems. That's prokaryotes for you, simple and efficient. Now, moving on to eukaryotes. Eukaryotes are a fascinating group of organisms distinguished by their cellular complexity. Unlike prokaryotes, eukaryotic cells feature a true nucleus, which is enclosed by a nuclear membrane. This nucleus contains the cell's DNA, the blueprint for life, organized into chromosomes. But the nucleus isn't the only feature that sets eukaryotes apart. They are generally larger than their prokaryotic counterparts, with a size ranging from 10 to 100 micrometers. This larger size allows for an intricate internal structure, housing a variety of specialized compartments known as organelles. These organelles are like mini-factories within the cell, each with a specific role to play. You have the mitochondria, often called the powerhouse of the cell, generating energy for all cell functions. There's the endoplasmic reticulum, a network of tubules involved in protein and lipid synthesis. The Golgi apparatus acts like a postal service, packaging and distributing proteins. Lysosomes serve as the cell's waste disposal system, breaking down unwanted materials. And let's not forget the cytoskeleton, a network of protein fibers that maintain cell shape and assist in cell movement. Eukaryotes also boast a unique approach to reproduction. They reproduce through mitosis and meiosis, processes that involve the division of the nucleus and the formation of new cells. Mitosis results in 2 identical daughter cells for growth and repair, while meiosis leads to 4 genetically diverse cells for sexual reproduction. And when it comes to examples of eukaryotes, they're all around us. Plants with their cell walls and chloroplasts are eukaryotes. So are animals with their lack of cell walls and various specialized cells and tissues. Fungi with their unique cell walls and spore-based reproduction. And protists, a diverse group including everything from single-celled amoebas to multicellular algae, are also part of the eukaryotic family. So that's eukaryotes, complex and versatile. They're like a bustling city within a microscopic world, teeming with activity and intricacy. They truly are a testament to the marvel of life's diversity and complexity. Now that we know about both cell types, let's compare them. Prokaryotes and eukaryotes, though both fundamental to life as we know it, are vastly different in their structure and organization. Prokaryotes, like bacteria and archaea, are the more basic of the two, lacking the complexity of a true nucleus and any membrane-bound organelles. Their genetic material is found in the nucleoid region, rather than being enclosed within a nuclear membrane. They're generally smaller, ranging from 0.1 to 5 micrometers in size. Reproduction in prokaryotes is straightforward, typically occurring through binary fission, a simple division of the cell. On the other hand, eukaryotes are more complex. They house their genetic material within a true nucleus, enclosed by a nuclear membrane. This cellular organization extends to their organelles too. They contain a variety of membrane-bound organelles, each with a specific function. These include the mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, and lysosomes, among others. Eukaryotic cells are generally larger, ranging from 10 to 100 micrometers. When it comes to reproduction, eukaryotes undergo mitosis and meiosis, processes that involve the division of the nucleus and the formation of new cells. In essence, prokaryotes are the simpler, smaller cells, lacking a true nucleus, while eukaryotes are larger, more complex cells with a true nucleus, and a variety of specialized organelles. As you can see, while they both perform the basic functions of life, they do so in very different ways. So, there you have it, the captivating dance of life, split into two fundamental groups, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes, with their simplicity, no true nucleus, and smaller size. Eukaryotes, on the other hand, flaunt a more complex cellular organization, a true nucleus, and a generally larger size. These differences are pivotal in understanding the complex tapestry of life. I hope this has helped you understand the fascinating differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Thanks for watching.